What's up guys, Karan Singh here, back with another video. Today we're gonna unbox the Apple AirPods Pro. This is an Indian unit, has an MRP of 24,900. So this is the Apple's third generation AirPods, wireless earbuds. So let's unwrap this up and let's see what do we get. Designed by Apple in California. AirPods Pro, all the manuals and everything. No Apple sticker, we don't get an Apple sticker with it. So we have the AirPods Pro. We have something beneath this. Oh, we have a lightning cable and a lightning cable to USB Type-C charger, and we have extra earbuds. That's nice. So you have to pull the tab and just stick out the extra ones. Let's put back everything aside and let's see these. Okay. Oh. Designed by Apple for California, assembled in China. This is how these look. It's the right one. You can see the R for the right and the L for the left. Let us try pairing these. Just open it up. Oh, we have a back button. Yes, you can see AirPods Pro. Connect. It's connecting. You can see the yellow light. Media control. Skip. Hey Siri and everything. Skip. Thing of the AirPods Pro. Oh, we have battery. We have battery, you can see AirPods. So that's it, that's the unboxing of the AirPod Pro, and see you next guys on the next video. Cheers.